Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply make checkpoints in Geometry Dash 2.2. So I'm just going to make this simple level right here, and then right after making our level, let's now go ahead and put our checkpoint. So you want to navigate through this category, click on this diamond button and just place it wherever you want your checkpoint to be at. In my case, it's going to be right here. And then on the end, I'm just going to add this simple spikes on my level. And so if we go ahead and click on the checkpoint itself, you want to make sure that the spawn ID is #1 is selected, player POS, and touch trigger. And so if we play out our level, it should look something like this. So let's play it normally. Let's touch the checkpoint and then let's go ahead and get ourselves eliminated. And simply from there, as you can see, you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.